What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. I don't know what's in this box. It was likely from the pass-around group, which means whatever's in here was provided to me by the manufacturer. So let's go ahead and just tear into it. As usual, cardboard is no match for the mysterious composition of rainbow steel. Once again, the likes of which are not to be questioned, so please don't ask me. Okay, what do we have here? We have a QSP knife. We have another QSP knife. Interesting box. That's different than what I'm used to seeing. Kind of a vintage looking sort of, I don't know. It looks like tumbling on acid wash, except the tumbling marks are kind of bronzy. I don't know. Oh, awesome. This, okay, so this is not normally a knife that I would buy for myself. And I'll give you guys the details on it when I do the review. But this is the very first, look at that. There you go. D2 steel. This is G10. Yeah. That's pretty cool. This is definitely not a knife. Oh my gosh. Take a look at this right now. What has my channel come to? This is not a knife that I normally would buy for myself. I'm not a Karambit or what, I don't even know. Hey, I'm not a fighting knife kind of guy. Do you hold it? How do you hold it? You hold it like this? I don't know. Karambit professionals, let me know what I'm doing wrong. Gosh, it's really smooth. It's really smooth. That's the smoothest Karambit I've ever, well, I'd say smoothest Karambit I've ever felt. I've never actually had a Karambit, but it's like a wiggle shut Karambit, you know? For those of you who practice this type of thing, you know, when you want smooth premium action, QSP offers a model. We'll go into detail about this during the review, but I thought you guys might enjoy that. I thought it might be kind of fun to show on the channel. Not my style at all. It's just fun. If you enjoyed this video or at least found it entertaining, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out, and if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there is definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.